Hello. Have you ever noticed some people in the way they walk, they have a certain aura? You feel a push in the way they carry themselves, like if hypothetically a line were to be crossed, they would have a confident way to deal with it. You feel their confidence, their sense of security, and innately, it establishes a sense of respect. But there's more to this feeling we get. It's more tangible than the individual's self-perception. Wolff's Law. Bones grow and remodel themselves in response to the forces that they are placed upon in a healthy person. When we look at someone who looks frail and weak, of course, not in all cases, but the majority of the time, they actually are. Because when you learn a technique, when you drill it into yourself, you are not just dropping an understanding into the pool of your mind. You are forging it into your nerves, your neural pathways, your bones. Every fiber of your being has a response to the tool your body is picking up, from stimulating protein synthesis to etching your cerebellum with awareness to producing human growth hormone to thicken your bones. When you pay attention, you can see it. In the way a skilled judoka's strong hands rest neutral, how their hands, bicep, their back looks ready to pull, ready to grip, and bend to will. A boxer's roll shoulders and ready to clench fist. You can see it in a TIE fighter's shins and elbows. Subtle glints of technique showing even in the sway of their walk, the constant jabs from orthodox stance, swaying one arm different than the other. Some who've trained staying on the balls of their feet walk like that as neutral. It's like a weapon holstered to one side, even if it is concealed. When you pay attention, you feel it is there. Now, this isn't an obvious truth, but it is one that exists by virtue of our adaptive nature. When we do something and we just keep doing it, we become it. Our bodies and minds, they mold to adopt it, and even if we do not acknowledge it at first, it is a subtext that can always be felt. This is the true nature of technique, but further, as an overarching philosophy, the nature of true knowledge. It exists, not to just merely exist, but to transform its wielder. The tool, technique, skill, it exists to solve a problem, but in order to do so, the foundation of one's body and mind must be set in proper order to wield that tool. Otherwise, it cannot exist and properly function. You become what you do, whether it be your mind, your state, or the skills you choose to learn. What you repeatedly do, you become. If you like more from me, please subscribe. That's definitely good for the channel. Thank you if you did. Smash the like button if you enjoyed. It's good karma. And until next time, peace.